Introduction to batteries. Battery application scenarios. In this section, we will introduce typical application scenarios of batteries. Storage batteries are mainly installed in battery racks and battery cabinets. Battery racks apply to large data centers, where they are mainly deployed in an independent battery room or battery area. Battery cabinets apply to modular data centers and container data centers, where they are deployed next to other cabinets. VRLA batteries do not require a dedicated battery room, but the operating environment must meet the IEC 61056-2012 requirements. In an equipment room that houses VRLA batteries, the ambient temperature should be from 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity should be from 20% to 80%. Dedicated battery rooms should be equipped with ventilation devices. Avoid direct sunlight on the storage battery. Proper measures should be taken to block sun from windows. To facilitate maintenance, reserve a reasonable clearance between battery strings. Rubber insulation pads should be laid out for the maintenance channels of the high-voltage battery strings used in the UPS. The shockproof reinforcement for the battery strings should meet the YD 5059-2005 requirements. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.